Everyone tells you to buy VOO and never look back, and for most people that's solid advice. But what if I told you that over the last decade, one ETF quietly turned $10,000 into nearly $190,000, while VOO delivered only a fraction of that return? This isn't crypto, meme stocks, or gambling. These are real regulated US ETFs that anyone could have bought. So, the question isn't whether VOO is a great investment. It's whether you're unknowingly leaving thousands of dollars on the table. In the next 2 minutes, we're counting down the 9 best-performing ETFs of the last decade, from the safest long-term picks to the ETF that absolutely dominated the market. At number 9 is VXUS, giving you exposure to over 8,000 companies outside the US. Number 8 is VT, a single ETF that owns virtually the entire global stock market. Number 7 is SCHD, a dividend ETF that pays you cash while delivering surprisingly strong long-term returns with lower volatility. Number 6 is VTI, which owns the entire US stock market in one fund. Number 5 is the legendary VOO, the S&P 500 ETF that has averaged roughly 15% annually over the past decade. But here's where things get interesting. Number 4 is SPMO, a momentum ETF that automatically rotates into the market's strongest performing stocks. Number 3 is QQQM, packed with tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon, delivering around 20% annual returns over 10 years. Number 2 is VGT, a pure technology ETF that focuses entirely on the companies building the digital future, averaging over 23% per year. And finally, number 1, SMH, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. By investing in the companies making the chips that power AI, cloud computing, smartphones, and electric vehicles, SMH delivered an incredible average annual return of about 34% over the last decade. But there's a catch. It also comes with much higher volatility, making it better as a smaller part of a diversified portfolio rather than your entire investment. Remember, past performance never guarantees future results, but studying these ETFs shows where long-term wealth has historically been created. So, if you had to pick just one ETF for the next 10 years, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart investing content.